Hello everyone, this is SREE, Maths faculty in Talla Padmavathi International School. Today, let us see Chapter 4, Practical Geometry of Class 8. This chapter is allotted for you as a project. In Class 7, we have learnt how to construct a triangle. And here in Class 8, we are going to see how to construct a quadrilateral in the chapter Practical Geometry. So for constructing a quadrilateral, the first one is when 4 sides and 1 diagonal of a quadrilateral is given. And the second one is, children, when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. And the third one is when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. And the fourth one is when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. And the fifth one is when other special properties are known. So in all these 5 cases, we can draw a quadrilateral. So let us see the first one, when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. So now we need to construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB equals to 4.5 centimeters, BC equals to 5.5 centimeters, CD equals to 4 centimeters, AD equals to 6 centimeters and AC equals to 7 centimeters. The step 1 to draw a quadrilateral is, first you need to draw a rough figure. So let us see that, children, now. First draw the diagonal AC. AC. That is how much? 7 centimeters. So see here, children, A, B, C and this is D. Now AB they have given as 4.5 centimeters, BC is 5.5 centimeters, and CD is equals to 4 centimeters and AD equals to 6 centimeters. So children, now by using the scale and the compass, we are going to do this problem. So first you need to draw. The next step is, children, you need to draw a diagonal, that is AC, as 7 centimeters. So just point 7 centimeters from 0 to 7 and just draw a line. And this is 7 centimeters. And it is what, children? It is AC. Now if you see AB, children, the third step we are going to do now, that is see the length of AB. AB is 4.5 centimeters. So children, now measure with your compass 4.5 centimeters. Okay. And with A as center, draw an arc. You need to draw an arc. And next, BC is, children, 5.5 centimeters. So by using the compass and scale, again you measure 5.5 centimeters. Now with C as center, draw an arc by cutting the previous arc. Now this point is what, children? This point is B. Next, now the down one we have CD and AD. Now with A as center, draw an arc with 6 centimeters as radius. So just measure 6 centimeters of radius. And with A as center, draw an arc. And next, with C as center, you need to take 4 centimeters radius and you need to draw an arc by cutting the previous arc. So measure 4 centimeters of radius, children. And you need to draw an arc with C as center. And see here, children, this point is D. This point is D. Now you can join AB, BC, AD and CD. So by using the scale, children, you can join AB and BC, CD and AD. So children, you got the quadrilateral ABCD. Now you can write your measurements. This is 5.5 centimeters, 4.5 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 6 centimeters. So when a problem is given, if you draw the rough figure, then according to the rough figure we can draw the original quadrilateral. So this is the quadrilateral ABCD when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. So now this is the second problem, children. Here we are going to construct a quadrilateral lift, that is LIFT. This is when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. So let us draw a rough figure with the given measurements. So first, here the 2 diagonals are given. That means so children, LIFT is a quadrilateral where LF is a diagonal and IT is a diagonal. So IT is how much, children? It is 4 centimeters and LF is 4.5 centimeters. And still what they have given? They have given LI, that is 4 centimeters. And IF is 3 centimeters. And TL is 2.5 centimeters. So children, according to the rough figure, now we are going to construct a quadrilateral lift. So first, children, you need to draw IT. That is how much? That is 4 centimeters. So draw a line segment of length 4 centimeters. So this will be your TI, that is 4 centimeters. Now see here, children, if you see LI and T and LT, here we are having 2.5 centimeters and here we are having 4 centimeters. Now with center, with T as center and radius 2.5 centimeters, draw an arc. So children, we need to take 2.5 centimeters as radius. See, this is 2.5 centimeters radius and we are going to draw an arc with center T. Okay, and the next one is LI. So with I as center and with radius 4 centimeters, you need to draw an arc by cutting the previous arc to get the point L. So you need to take 4 centimeters and with I as center, you need to draw an arc. So children, now this point is L. So join T and L, children. Join T and L. And also L and I. Okay. And next, we are having a the another diagonal, that is LF, children. So LF is 4.5 centimeters. Now with L as center and radius 4.5 centimeters, you need to draw an arc below the diagonal TI. So see here, children, you need to take the radius as 4.5 centimeters. With L as center, you need to draw an arc. Okay. Now, just see here, children, they have given IF. IF is how much? It's 3 centimeters. Now, with I as center and radius 3 centimeters, you need to draw an arc by cutting the previous arc below the diagonal TI. So, we are going to draw. And this point is F. This point is F, children. So, join TF and IF. So now you got the quadrilateral LIFT, that is lift. So this is the diagonal LF. And this will be 4.5 centimeters. So we have even drawn a quadrilateral when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. Next is the third one, children. So this is the quadrilateral we are going to draw when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. So children, for every problem we need to draw a rough diagram. So let's see that now. You need to draw OM. First draw OM, and this will be 6 centimeters. OM or MO. And next, children, OR. OR is how much, children? OR is 4.5 centimeters. So children, OR is 4.5 centimeters. And if you see the angle O will be 105 degrees. And angle M will be 60 degrees. Angle M will be what, Nana? 60 degrees. So draw 60 degrees. And next we have angle R as 105 degrees. So here you will be getting 105 degrees. So this is 105 degrees. MORE, this point is E, children. Okay. Now according to this figure we are going to draw the quadrilateral. So first draw the line segment MO with 6 centimeters, children. So MO 6 centimeters we are going to draw. This is M and O. This will be 6 centimeters. Now the said you to draw 105 degrees. Angle O is 105 degrees, children. Children, we can draw 105 degrees with the compass without using the protractor. So how can we draw? Is you already know that with any radius with O as center, just draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle, and with the same radius with this point, you draw one more arc. And again, children, at this point with the same radius, again draw one more arc on the semicircle. Now see here, children, if you join this point and this point, then it is 60 degrees. Suppose if you join this point and this point over here, then it will be 120 degrees. So let us take here P, Q as points. And first children, to get 105 degrees, first you need to draw 90 degrees. How to draw 90 degrees is with the PQ as here we have P and Q points. So you need to take the radius more than half of PQ. More than half of PQ. And with Q as center, you need to draw an arc. And with P as center, you need to draw an arc by cutting the previous arc, children. So now this point will be 90. But actually we want 105 degrees, children. We want 105 degrees. So this is 90. And if you see children, this angle will be 90 degrees. And we want 105 degrees. So here if you see from 90 to here, 120 minus 90 will be 30, children. So in 30, if you bisect it, again you are going to get 15 degrees. So 19 plus 15 is 105. So let us take here a point, children. This will be as A. Now AQ is there, children. So how to bisect? You need to take more than half of AQ and you need to draw an arc. You need to draw an arc, and with A as center and with the same radius you need to draw one more arc. So this will be your 105 degrees, children. Now join O and this point. So let this will be X. Let that be X, children. Now they said that OR is 4.5 centimeters. Now with OR center and with radius 4.5 centimeters, we can draw an arc on OX ray. On OX ray. So you need to take 4.5 centimeters. And with OR center, you are going to draw an arc on the ray OX. Okay. This is the point of R. This is the point R, children. Okay. Now here they have given angle M as 60 degrees. Angle M as 60 degrees. So already we know with any radius with M as center, just draw an arc with any convenient radius. It's your wish. And with the same here, with the same radius with this point, draw one more arc, and if you join these two, you are going to get 60 degrees, children. So this will be your 60 degrees. So let it that point be Y. Now as you have seen, R is how many degrees? R is 105 degrees. So you are going to draw 105 degrees. The same how we have drawn here O, the same we are going to follow here, children. So with any convenient radius, we are going to draw a semicircle. With this point, it's 60. 120. And take more than half and first draw the 90 degrees, that is bisecting these two. Now this point will be 90. This angle will be 90 degrees. Okay, but we need 105. So from here to here, it's 30. So if you bisect 30 degrees, you are going to get 15. So take more than half, and from this point and this point, you need to draw the arcs. And now you can join this from R to this one. Now see here, children, this will be Z. So RZ and MY are meeting at a point. That point will be your E. So MORE is a quadrilateral when two adjacent sides and three angles are given. Next, let us see the fourth one, that is constructing a quadrilateral when three sides and two included angles are given. So if you observe here, children, we are having three sides and two angles. So let us draw the first rough diagram of the quadrilateral. First draw DE, children. So this is DE, DE. And next the point E, children. This will be 5 centimeters and this is 4 centimeters. And AR will be 4.5. 4.5 centimeters. And angle E is 90 degrees. Here, as we got a DEAR, children, and E will be 90 degrees and A will be 90 degrees. A also is 90 degrees. So now we are going to draw the quadrilateral. So first DE we need to draw now. So with 4 centimeters you need to draw a line segment. So we need to draw a line segment of 4 centimeters is the first step. And next is, children, with E as center, with radius 5 centimeters, you need to draw an arc. So you are going to draw an arc of 5 centimeters. Or before this, you even can draw the 90 degrees also, no problem in that. Okay, now we can draw E as 90 degrees. With your convenient radius, with E as center, you need to draw a semicircle, children. You are going to draw a semicircle. And with this point, with the same radius, you need to draw an arc by cutting the semicircle. And with this point, again, you need to draw an arc on the semicircle. So now, let this point be P and Q. Now you need to bisect PQ, children. That means you need to take more than half of PQ like this, okay, and draw an arc with Q as center and with P as center. This will be our 90 degrees. So children, this is EX, and here an arc is cutting EX. So this point will be A, children. This point is A. Now as you have seen from A also, there is an angle that is 90 degrees. So the same procedure you need to take with your convenient radius. Draw an arc, draw a semicircle. And with this point, you are going to draw an arc. Again, with the same radius, again, one more arc. So now this is 60 and 120, children. If you bisect in between that, 120 minus 60, you will be getting 60. So if you bisect 60, you are going to get 30. So already from here to here, it's 60. And if you get 30 here, totally it becomes 90. So you need to take more than half of it to bisect it. So see here, children. This is AY. Now you already know that AR is 4.5 centimeters. So with A as center, take the radius 4.5 centimeters. And draw an arc by cutting AY. So just take 4.5 and with A as center, draw an arc. This is your R point. So now join D and R. Children, you got a quadrilateral DEAR, that is dear, when 3 adjacent sides and 2 included angles are given. So children, this is the last one. When other special properties are known. So children, here the fifth one is draw the square READ, that is read, with RE as 5.1 centimeters. So if you have observed here, they have given only one side children, that is 5.1 centimeters. That means you know the properties of square. In the square, all the sides will be equal and each angle is equals to 90 degrees. So first we are going to construct a rough one, that is this is a square READ. So first here 5.1 centimeters, 5.1 centimeters and 5.1 centimeters. So now we are going to draw first RE line segment with 5.1 centimeters. Okay, this is RE. And you are going to take 90 degrees, as you have seen that how we have drawn with the compass. So just we will draw here with the protractor. Here 90 degrees. So see children, here E is 90 degrees. And if you take here R, it is also 90 degrees. Why? Because every angle of a square is 90 degrees. So just measure 90 degrees. Let this be EX and this be RY. So already we know that RD is 5.1 centimeters. So with E as center and R as center, take the radius of 5.1 centimeters and draw an arc on the line RY and on EX. So now this point is A and this point is D. So if you join A and D children, you are going to get a square READ, read, with RE 5.1 centimeters. So children, if you observe, so now children, it's your turn. So what you have to do is, first, this is the first problem which I have took from the exercise 4.1, the first problem, and the second one I took from the exercise 4.2, first problem, and the third problem is exercise 4.3, third problem. First exercise 4.3, first problem, and the fourth problem is exercise 4.4 children, the first problem, and the last fifth one is I took from the exercise 4.5, first problem. So children, you have to take one problem from each exercise and you need to construct the quadrilaterals of all these 5 types that already which I have shown you. Okay, from exercise one problem, from each exercise you take one problem and construct the quadrilateral. This is the project for you children. Thank you. Talla Padmavathi International School.